Hi, I'm Emily here at horticulture.co.uk, and in today's short video I'll be showing you how to sow and grow your own cucumbers. Cucumbers are a really easy plant to grow, and you can grow them indoors or outdoors. All you need is a nice warm and sunny windowsill to start them off before the first frost. You can sow cucumbers between March and April, or you can sow them directly outside once your risk of frost has passed. This will depend on if you're growing an outdoor variety, as some cucumbers only like to be grown in greenhouses. So to grow your own cucumbers you will need some cucumber seeds. Today I am sowing this variety, and this is Masterpiece. Masterpiece is a specific variety for outdoor growing. You will also need a plastic bag or a propagator lid. You will need pots or compost discs and a tray to grow them in. I'm growing my cucumbers in compost discs, and then as soon as they've germinated I will transplant these into pots to grow on. But this just saves space, and it means that I can just pick the best ones out of these 10. As mentioned earlier, you will also need a warm windowsill. Above a radiator is perfect, or you can use a heat mat. So the first step is to expand your compost discs with room temperature water. So you just tip over the water and they will take a few minutes to expand. The next step is to sow your cucumber seeds, so they will need to be sown on their sides just like that, and they will take around 7 to 14 days to germinate. So you need to sow your cucumber seeds around 1 centimetre deep. The next step is to place over your propagator bag. It is really important that you make sure there are holes in the propagator bag or your propagator lid, because cucumbers suffer from fungal diseases which are brought on with really warm and humid environments. Lastly, label your seed tray and place on a nice warm and sunny windowsill to germinate. Once your cucumber seeds have germinated, you will need to repot them into 7.5 centimetre pots. You can use multi-purpose compost or seed compost. Place them indoors until you have a frost-free place to put them outside, and you will need to take extra care when watering. Always water cucumber plants, whether they're seedlings or mature plants, from the base. If they get any water on their leaves, this will turn into powdery mildew. If you're struggling to know when to water your cucumber seedlings, you can feel how heavy the pot is. If it looks dry on the surface, they still might not need watering, as often they will have enough in their base where the roots are. So take note when you repot them how heavy the pot feels.